Welcome to our backyard. As you can see, we have tiny chickens. These are bantam chickens. They are about the size of a pigeon and they don't get bigger than that size. And so because they're small, they also lay tiny eggs. They lay more eggs in the summer and they don't usually lay eggs in the winter. I also grow vegetables in small containers. That is my arugula growing. On the left, I have my salad mix. I have lettuce, mint, my tomatoes. I have some peppers. And that's an orange tree that I grew from a tiny seed. It has tiny oranges right now, so we'll see if it's a good one. Here you can see my blueberry bush, my tomatoes right here, and I planted marigold in the same pot. That's my lettuce and my mint, my blueberries. I have lettuce, and I have some that are still growing. They're tiny seedlings right now. That's another blueberry bush with marigold, my lemongrass. That's a satsuma orange, my strawberries, more peppers, tomatoes. That's onion chives, my garlic, more strawberries and marigold, more strawberries and marigold and oregano. Let's move over here. That's our donut peach. It has flowers right now. Lavender, my strawberry tower, and this is a mulberry tree. As you can see, there are a lot of mulberries right now. The mulberries are sweet when it's purple. We have grapefruit, tangelo, that's a navel orange. That's my basil, blueberry bush with basil. This is my zucchini plant with marigold, navel orange, and I have my roses. I just deadheaded them this morning, so you don't see a lot of flowers right now. And more citrus trees. Now let's go to the backyard. I have tomato plants in containers, potatoes, and peppers. I also have a small avocado tree, and right now it has a lot of tiny fruits. It's loaded, but I think when the Santa Ana winds come, most of them will fall. So we'll see how much will be left. But as you can see, there's tiny avocados right now. And we also have a calamansi tree right now, and it's loaded with fruits. They're kind of green right now, but you can actually use them already even though it's still green. Thanks for watching. That's it for now.